Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Korean grill tabletop is probably one of the most exciting ways to enjoy a meal. This interactive cooking experience brings the sizzling flavors of Korean barbecue right to your table, allowing you to cook and share delicious food with friends and family. Get ready to explore the world of tabletop grilling, from selecting the perfect grill to mastering the art of Korean barbecue. Number 5. Techwood Smokeless Indoor Grill. This grill offers a large non-stick surface, perfect for cooking a variety of foods. It provides ample space for family meals, from frying eggs to grilling steaks. It also comes with a tempered glass lid. It's easy to use anywhere, from your kitchen to a campsite. Just plug it in and start grilling without the worry of smoke. It is perfect for parties. This grill heats up fast with precise temperature control. You can adjust the temperature from 220 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It ensures your food is grilled to perfection. The non-stick surface makes cleaning effortless. Food slides right off, and the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Cleaning this grill is a breeze. Techwood offers a 30-day return policy and an 18-month promise. The products are covered by Product Liability Insurance of United States. Please refer to the instruction manual for details. What we like. This grill is perfect for family gatherings, offering a large cooking surface for all your favorites. Its portable design means you can enjoy a barbecue anywhere, anytime. If you are looking for a hassle-free grilling experience with easy cleanup, this is the one for you. What people say. The fan really does work to control smells. I did fish and somehow the smell was contained. Good char marks and no smoke. Thanks to this smokeless grill I can enjoy grilling a steak or a chicken breast without activating the smoke alarm. Number 4. TECHEF Grill Pan W Stove, Korean Barbecue Complete Set. Introducing the TECHEF Complete Cooking Set. This set includes the Agni portable stove and a high-quality Korean barbecue grill pan. It is perfect for tabletop cooking. The stove delivers a powerful heat output. It provides 2,800 kilocalories HR for efficient grilling and cooking. You can cook your food quickly. It features an auto piezoelectric ignition. This ensures quick and reliable starts without matches. It is very easy to use. The set has an advanced magnetic locking system. This provides secure stability and automatically ejects the canister if pressure becomes unsafe. It is very safe to use. The grill pan has a durable non-stick coating. This allows for easy food release and hassle-free cleaning. Cleaning is a breeze. This grill pan channels excess grease away from food. This promotes lower-fat cooking. Enjoy healthier meals. It is ideal for Korean barbecue, Japanese yakiniku, sukiyaki, and hot pot. You can use it both indoors and outdoors. Enjoy your meal anywhere. What we like. This set includes everything you need for a Korean barbecue experience. The powerful heat output ensures efficient cooking, while the non-stick pan makes grilling and cleaning a breeze. If you like the convenience of a complete set and enjoy Korean barbecue, you should consider this. What people say. The gas stove lights flawlessly every time and the flame is perfect once lit. Loading the butane cartridge is effortless. After cooking pork tenderloin, bacon, and grilling peppers, all it takes is the wipe of a paper towel, after the grill cools, to clean. Number 3. ChefWave Sosaku Smokeless Indoor Grill. Introducing the ChefWave Sosaku Smokeless Grill. This innovative grill brings the joy of outdoor barbecue right into your kitchen. It uses infrared heating technology to produce significantly less smoke. This grill is a culinary powerhouse. It comes with a rotisserie, kebab set, fish basket, fries cage, and a non-stick grill rack. It allows you to create a variety of delicious and healthy meals. Get ready to cook in minutes. The grill heats up quickly and ensures your food is evenly seared and juicy. Plus, the detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The grill features a durable stainless steel body and a generous 9 by 13-inch grilling surface. You can easily set your desired temperature and cooking time, with a range up to 450 degrees and 90 minutes. ChefWave stands behind its products. It offers a 1-year warranty, covering parts and labor, so you can enjoy using it worry-free. It's also ETL certified for your peace of mind. What we like. This grill uses infrared technology for a virtually smokeless experience, perfect for indoor use. It comes with multiple accessories, offering versatile cooking options. If you are looking for a grill that combines health, versatility, and ease of use, you should consider it. What people say. The food came out tasting great. Great gadget for your buck. The device itself works very well. It works like a normal grill, just with electricity. Number 2. Baffect Portable Charcoal Grill. This small charcoal grill comes with everything you need. It includes a grill body, charcoal bowl, and various accessories. You can easily start a barbecue party by assembling the grill. Made of food-grade stainless steel, it's built to withstand high temperatures. The heat-proof handle allows you to safely add charcoal. Remember to use the stand to protect your table. The grill features adjustable vents on the sides. You can control the fire's intensity and grilling time with ease. There is also an extra bulge on the vent to prevent users from being scalded. It's only 13.7 inches in diameter, making it easy to assemble and disassemble. The compact size means it won't take up much space in your car. The non-stick Korean barbecue is easy to clean. This grill is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. You can use it for Korean barbecue indoors or take it with you for picnics and camping. It's great for any occasion. What we like. This charcoal grill offers a traditional barbecue experience with adjustable flame control. It's easy to carry and clean, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. If you like the authentic taste of charcoal grilling and enjoy outdoor activities, you should consider this. What people say. Grill was easy to set up, light, provided plenty of heat and cleanup was not difficult. The non-stick pan really worked and the stainless steel body only shows a little wear from the heat of the charcoal. Very good design. Heats well. High-grade stainless steel. We have it outside, not exposed to rain, by the ocean all year round and no rust. The stainless faucet next to it is all pitted and rusted. A handful of charcoal will last the whole meal. Charcoal starts in a bowl with just crumbled newspaper. Number 1. Baffect 13.7 Charcoal Grill. This Baffect charcoal grill comes with everything you need to start grilling right away. It includes the grill body, pan, net, charcoal holder, ash bowl, and the handle. You can quickly set it up and begin your barbecue adventure. Made from food-grade stainless steel, this grill is built to last and withstand high temperatures. The handle makes it easy to add charcoal safely. The design ensures charcoal burns efficiently, perfect for smokeless grilling. Switch between the grill pan and net to try different cooking styles. Adjust the ventilation to control the heat. This allows you to perfectly time your cook and show off your grilling skills. At 13.7 inches, this grill is easy to carry and assemble wherever you go. The non-stick surface helps retain heat and keeps food tasting great. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the non-stick design. This grill is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use without producing smoke. Enjoy Korean barbecue indoors by embedding it in a table or using a heat-resistant pad. Take it with you for picnics, camping, parties, and more. What we like. This grill is designed for easy setup, letting you start your barbecue party instantly. Made with food-grade stainless steel, it ensures safe and healthy grilling. If you are looking for a simple, portable, and safe grilling solution, you should consider it. What people say. The interchangeable grills are a game-changer, seamlessly accommodating everything from veggies to tofu and the piece de resistance, actual meat. Cleaning is a breeze, ensuring that the joy of grilling is never dampened by tedious cleanup sessions. Compact and easily storable, it's a space-efficient addition to my kitchen arsenal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.